Folks, if you cherish the sight of a dandy game of hockey, then you've steered yourself in the right direction. Jim and I are so excited about this one, we can't even speak.
Yes, we can.
Okay, we can, but we're still quite excited.
The ref indicates a delayed call against Tkachuk. Tkachuk has been nailed for cross-checking.
Lucky guy. He gets to enjoy the luxurious penalty box suite for 2 minutes.
Somehow I don't think he's pleased, Don. St. Louis will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Chelios gets hold of the puck. Yager took it. Lemieux now has it. Yager gets the backhand shot off. Johnson hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux wins the draw. Scores!
Whoever put sweet and low together never saw that shot.
Detroit enjoying the early lead.
Savor it well, my young friends. Youth, alas, is free.
Okay, how about we go back to live action?
If you must.
Lemieux shoots it from the left. He scores!
This is a goalie who commands respect, but this time, the Air Force won.
Detroit has taken a 2-goal lead.
How come you always say the city name, Jim?
How else would people know who I was talking about?
Good point.
The Blues go offside.
And the number 89, Peter Schaefer.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Sloan. Van Ryn scoops up the loose puck. It's 1-on-1. Westland. Westland fires it. Johnson stoned him cold. Van Ryn with the puck. Icing against St. Louis. Looks like the crowd's getting into the spirit of things. The face-off goes to Detroit. Scores!
The puck was yelling, "I'm upstairs!" Too bad the goalie didn't listen.
Detroit goal.
Ferrero. Lemieux knocks the puck loose. Schaefer.
66.
Detroit has it now. Detroit touches up for the icing call. Gets the shot off. Blocked. Schaefer. Saved by Johnson. And he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. Dimitra. St. Louis picks it up. Dimitra went in ahead of the play. That's offside. Shatan is on the ice holding his head between his hands.
Yeah, he must be feeling pretty distressed right about now. Let's hope he's not out for the game, or worse. There he goes down the tunnel. He might be out for the night.
We'll just have to wait and see. Lemieux misses the net. Wait, takes control. Scores!
The goalie's down, the puck is in, he gives it to him on the chin.
St. Louis has really come on.
They were so far out of the game, their GM was organizing a search party, but they're back in contention.
Yzerman jumps on the loose puck. Fires it from the right. Johnson shuts the door. Wait. Tkachuk gets the puck. Wait stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to, huh?
Salvador. Dimitra gets checked. Yzerman takes possession of the puck. Solani. Taken out. Kuba grabs the puck. Wrist shot. He misses the net. Nieuwendyk gets hold of the puck. Chelios. With a wrist shot. Blocked. Stillman. St. Louis puts its scoring line out. Mellanby shoots the puck. Kuba. Mellanby with the puck. Great save!
You know what? I feel like...
Looks like trouble, Don.
Yeah, Jim, two high-pressure fronts have met, and it looks like we're in for a storm.
Wow, he nailed him there.
After a hit like that, a guy could launch a solo career.
St. Louis penalty to number 7, Keith Tkachuk. A 5-minute
Schaefer
game
gets
for
the puck.
Detroit penalty to number 24, Chris
Lemieux
Chelios.
gobbles it up.
5-minute major for fighting.
Wrist shot, blocked.
The first period is over. Done. Cooked. Finished. Finito. Concluded.
Okay, we get it.
3 tickets to an upcoming game, as well as tons of...
It was a bit of a skate in the park for one team in the first period, Don.
It sure was. And their opponents need to refocus if they hope to stay in this game.
Schaefer. Yager grabs the puck. With a wrist shot, Johnson turns him away.
Excellent position of the blocker there, Jim. He was really attacking the puck.
Stillman. Shoots! Lemieux. Yager with the puck. Lemieux shoots it. Mellenby takes it. Stillman gets it. Drake has it now. Whips it. Blocked. Yager gets hold of the puck. Schaefer. St. Louis in control now. He mows over Salvador.
He hit him harder than a weightlifter playing Ring the Bell at the carnival.
Lemieux. Schaefer had the puck. St. Louis grabs it. Honger. Wait takes it. Mowed down.
There was so much turbulence there, I just spilled my roasted almonds.
Shoots quickly. Misses. Drake shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Lidstrom. Van Ryn knocks him off the puck. Drake. He dumps it. St. Louis takes control. Drake shoots it quickly. Detroit gets it. Iserman. Neuendijk grabbed it. Wrist shot from the right. The door is shut by Johnson. Nash. Breakaway. Shoots it hard. Joseph slams the door shut. Joseph stones him cold.
You could almost hear him saying, "Not on my watch, buddy."
Iserman takes the puck. Solani now with it. Solani now with it. Jackman. Nash has it. He gets laid out. Iserman scoops up the loose puck. Sloan. Gusarov pushes him. Nash. Gusarov with a wrist shot. Iserman. Solani with the puck. Iserman fires. Johnson turned the shot away. Neuendijk shoots the puck from the right. Johnson hangs on for the whistle. Nylander won the faceoff. McCarthy gets the shot off. Tkachuk has the puck. Shoots. Joseph stones him.
He denied them, Jim. Plain and simple.
Nylander holds up Dimitra. Joseph made the save. Nylander gets knocked down. Rogers has the puck. Caberlet Johnson shut the door.
His secret? Waxing his stick with Gold Be Gone. Twice a week.
Tkachuk.
You know, Jim, if I had my way, I'd give out free Zamboni rides between periods.
Exciting events, such as hardest shot, fastest skater, and the breakaway competition.
Somewhere between a rock and a hard place, it's NHL 2003.
Whatever that means.
It means I couldn't think of anything better to say.
Now you're making sense. Dimitra had his man more fooled than Don when we told him the sky was falling.
It is falling.
Schaefer. Yager now with the puck. Dimitra gets the pass from Johnson. Wait, grabbed the puck. Fires it! Ponger corrals it. Taken out.
He packs a wallop and sends it special delivery.
Lemieux. One-times it. He hits the post. Wait takes control of the puck. Dimitra grabs it. Tkachuk blasts one. Dimitra picks it up. Lemieux. Wait takes possession. Offside. St. Louis Lewis jumps on it. Mellenby. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
St. Louis has a player down and right now looks very concerned.
He's a teammate, Jim, and no one wants to see a teammate go down.
Mellenby looks like he's in too much pain to keep playing.
No sense pushing it. You don't want to make it worse than it already is, or you'll end up out of action longer than you want to be.
Shoots the puck, stoned cold by Joseph. Joseph hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux with the puck, laid out. Schaefer with the puck, shot quickly. Joseph made the save.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
Shot the puck. Johnson with a great save. Johnson hangs on for the whistle. Chelios shoots the puck. Solani takes over. Corso. Blocked. Gusarov. Chelios grabs the puck. Neuendijk now has it. Yzerman gets it. It's one-on-one. Solani shot. Johnson turned the shot aside. Solani saved by Johnson. Neuendijk is down on the ice.
Boy, if he hurt his back there, he may have to leave this game. That would be a real shame. He's going for a rest whether he wants to or not, Jim.
You can never be too careful with injuries, especially when these guys refuse to quit. They're fighters. The Blues dump the puck in. Van Ryn checked him from behind here. Plain to see.
That's not the way to hit, Jim. No wonder the guy ended up hurt.
Sloan. He gets muscled off the puck.
Oh, whoop-de-doo. Show me a hit I can really get into.
Kachuk. Saved by Joseph.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Wait intercepts the puck. Dimitra plays a little peekaboo with the puck. Yzerman got the puck. Solani grabbed it. St. Louis with it now. Dimitra. St. Louis has pulled the goalie.
For our novice users, that means there's an extra attacker. But if you're
Empty netter. The face-off goes to Detroit. Sloan.
Michael Nylander, assisted by
Jackman
number 26,
takes possession of the puck.
Sloan, and by number 8, Steve McCarthy.
Westland. Sloan. Rycroft gets it. Mowed down.
I'd be steamed if that happened to me.
Williams. Sloan had the puck. Kuba shoots. Saved by Johnson. Kuba shoots it hard. Stillman jumps on the loose puck. Stillman, hard shot. Joseph closed the door. Solani. Yzerman took the puck. Yager turned away.
But for the blocker, that surely would have been a goal.
Salvador cranked him.
Okay, maybe this game is a little rougher than Yahtzee.
Put it in the books. Detroit does the unthinkable and wins, Don.
This team put up a wall defense tonight, Jim. You would have needed a stout set of yaks.